Assalamualaikum. Today let's do beef salpicao. Bismillah. We have here 3 cuts of rib eye. We will cut this guys into cubes. And then we will going to marinate it for about, let's say, half an hour. After cutting, we will do now our marination. Oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon of Worcestershire. Tablespoon of olive oil. Tablespoon of sugar. Black pepper. One-4 cup of soy sauce. With your clean hand, we have to mix and until well combined. Set it aside for about half an hour. For our toppings, we will going to slice some garlic, guys, and we will fry this until golden brown. To our hot oil, we brown our sliced garlic. Remember, guys, only medium heat. Don't burn your garlic, it becomes bitter. This is the color that we want, guys. Now turn off the gas and drain your garlic. With the same pan, we see now our beef with the garlic infused oil, guys. 2 more minutes and our salpicao is done. Just dry up a little, guys. This is it, guys. This is our salpicao. Turn off the gas and set it aside until the assembly. Same pan, we will do our garlic fried rice now, guys. Here is our garlic infused oil. We will add some more garlic for our fried rice. A lot of garlic. We'll saute our garlic 2 minutes and add our rice. Now we add our rice, guys. Mix it very well until well combined. It will only take about 5 minutes for this rice. Our fried rice, guys, done. Now let's do our assembly. Our beef, guys, top with our fried garlic earlier. For our tasting part, little rice, some beef. Please have some, guys. Enjoy. Try it at home.